Hey developers, Morningstar is hiring for the data analyst role and the work location is Navi, Mumbai. Talking about the required qualifications, hold a bachelor degree, prefer in finance but not mandatory, with 60% marks. And this role is open to fresh graduates as well as professional with up to 1 year of experience. Means 2025 and 24 students can apply for this role. And the other requirements like demonstrate English communication skills, as proficient in MS Office tools, especially Excel and Word. Learn quickly and process with ease, possess attention to detail and a proactive mindset and naturally curiosity. Effectively prioritize tasks and perform well under tight deadlines. So these are the required details, skills, qualifications. And here is the application process like online assessment, candidate information session, then interview. So these are the hiring process rounds, and joining month is also given, and the shift is also early morning shift, general shift, afternoon shift, night shift. So you can read the full job description. So end this video, apply link will in the description and hit the like button, do comment and subscribe skilllayer for more job updates.